Principal, Honorable Academic Coordinator, all section coordinators and my dear stamp lightning ceremony. For this, I would like to invite our esteemed Principal Sir, Academic Coordinator Sir and all section coordinators, Mrs. Varita Mahapatra Miss, Mr. Abdul Basim Sir and Mrs. Soma Mahanti Miss to kindly come for lighting the lamp.
Children join? Children join? Warm good morning to everyone. On the onset, I just want to wish you and extend all the greetings and blessings of Dashara. And if you go to any tradition, any culture, any festivals, all these festivals, all this tradition, all this culture guide us to think good, to live whatever the drawbacks and weakness or the evil mentalities that we do have. Here also victory of good over evil. We ourselves, we are a bundle of both the good and evil. We are getting evil thoughts. We are fighting, we are getting thoughts sometimes fighting somebody. We are finding something, think of somebody ill. So first of all, I just want to tell you, you people, please try our level best to find positive in our ways, in our action, in our thoughts. So on this Puja day, actually when we are in the Western India, we heard everything, the Bengal and everything, Durga Puja is celebrated. I am not been much aware of that Durga, how the way you are, whatever you can say, celebrating and what are the customs behind it, that I don't know anything. Still, I know one thing, it is you want to have to remove the negative thoughts, remove the evil things in us and purify ourselves and to become a good individuals. And for which I pray to Goddess Durga to bless all my teachers, all my friend circle, family, relatives, to think of well, and I'm sure all my teachers will try to introspect themselves and to correct on this holy auspicious day. Thank you.
Respected Principal Sir, and good morning to all the teachers present over here. Now talking about Cuttack, a vibe starts in mid-September, always in a year that, let's say after 15 days or after 20 days, we have Dussehra which arrives. So there is always a positive energy, there is always a positive vibe that runs among us that the Dussehra is yet to arrive or Dussehra is still some days away. So before, I want to say that before Dussehra, before this festival, we have that positive vibe within us in which we always, and every time we see that, we always enjoy this festival. Now here, the overall aspect is what Sir said, that truth will always prevail. So evil will be devastated and truth will always prevail. So let's pray to Lord Mother Durga that in this pandemic situation where we are fighting each and every moment, where our teachers are going through each and every moment through these online classes, offline classes, all those things, let's pray Goddess Durga to bless us, to have an optimistic attitude, to throw away any pessimistic ideas, and let's pray Lord Durga and wish you a very happy Dussehra. Thank you.
सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमस्तुते सृष्टिस्थिति विनाशानां शक्तिभूते सनातनी गुणाश्रये गुणमये नारायणी नमस्तुते शरणागत दीनार्थ परित्राणपरायणे सर्वज्ञाति हरे देवी नारायणी नमस्तुते।
কাশবন দুলছে যে শাড়ি কবে ঢাক দেবে ডাক দিন গুনছে যে তারি দেখো কাশবন দুলছে যে শাড়ি কবে ঢাক দেবে ডাক দিন গুনছে যে তারি শিউলি মাখা গল্প আগমনের সুর তোমার টুলির গন্ধ ছড়ালো বলো বলো দুর্গা এলো বলো বলো দুর্গা এলো বলো বলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো বলো বলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো।
my God, what a terrific performance. No doubt this literally created an impression in everyone's mind that yes, one is capable of being both fierce and compassionate. So here we come to the end of this event. But end is just the beginning. The goddess bids her farewell and proceeds towards her husband's home every year on the last day of the celebration, leaving all of us gloomy. But do you know what keeps us going? Aste bochor abar hobe. Did you know what it means? It means Ma Durga will visit again in the next year. I, on behalf of our school, wish you all a very happy Durga Puja. May the Divine Mother empower us with her blessings and love on this Durga Puja. Thank you all.
Good morning, one and all present over here. It is very nice to see the celebration of Durga Puja, which is being marvelous. We can say that it is very awesome. The dance which has been performed by all the teachers is unremarkable. We can say that. So I would like to thank to all the members, whether it is the principal sir, our academic coordinators, our culture members, all of them, and our dancer also, Viras sir. I will thankful to everyone to making this program successful, and I will like to give a big round of applause for the teachers who have made this program successful. For this, I came to end. Thank you.